ミスティクスプレゼンツヴィンテージクルージン U.S.A.
Alright, today I'm going to put some 303 Aerospace Protective Ultimate UV Protection Spray on my car. So, first things first is, let's unwrap her. I got this cover from Amazon and it is snow-proof, waterproof, dust-proof, everything proof, and it also has these really cool little latches so it doesn't fly off when it's really windy. There she blows! There you go. Alright, so let's go check out the spray. Okay, so it says helps prevents fading, cracking, and luster. Okay, so let's start in the front of the vehicle since this is going to be the easiest part for me. Oh, there's a... Oh! I already messed up. Alright, so this should protect my fiberglass from cracking anymore and staining.
Work them arms.
Yeah! I got this! This is my second car, the first one being a Toyota van, but I wasn't able to take care of her as much as I wanted. I did give her a bath a couple times and stuff like that, but I never really sat in the driver's side like an actual owner of a car. Well, this one I actually...
It's on my face.
It's on your face?
Yeah.
Wipe your face.
Feels so cleaner. I feel a bit cleaner now.
Really?
No.
Well, yeah, like I was saying, I sat in the I sat in the driver's side of this one, and I knew for sure that this was going to be my baby. So, did it still get in your face? Oh, God, I'm sorry.
Blame the wind, not yourself.
This way, the wind won't get you from this side.
That's what you think. Wind can change
It's
direction.
going to change directions and get you, Chloe.
Yes, it's out to get me. Bless you.
It was getting in my face, the protectant spray. That's why I covered my face.
Maybe it'll protect your face from all those haters.
You're funny. Alright, so front. Oh wait, I think I missed these. I hope this doesn't mess up my eyes.
Wait, and it messes up your eyes.
the whole bottle. It is a big car though.
Yes, yes it is. And then someone in the comments complained, you're not supposed to do it like that.
I'll be like, eat up.
You said Ida. That's not a good word, especially next to Peta.
Eat up, eat up.
Haha.
This is the last spot.
Come on. The last dead spot.
Uh-oh.
Long arms.
Almost killed myself, arms.
Same.
Alright. I got the whole entire car. I'm so surprised.
And under 15 minutes.
Alright. How's it?
Pop. Go.
Alright, so right now we're gonna go through that mess. And we're gonna see what is it there. I might not know some of the names of these things, so if you do, help me out. So the guy who sold me this gave me a ton of stuff with it, as you can see. And I have no idea what some of the stuff is. Starting fluid. What year is this from?
1999.
It doesn't even say when it's expired, but I don't trust this.
Let's go at 1999.
Or 1970.
Ooh.
Alright. Heavy duty automotive belt. This is good. This is for my engine.
Oh. To get that engine running.
VW window, I think.
Yeah.
Not too sure.